Welcome to Day 1 of the Global Summit for Woodworking and Furniture Production Technology, where industry leaders, innovators, and enthusiasts gather to explore the future of wood craftsmanship. Today marks the beginning of an exciting journey filled with groundbreaking discoveries and collaborative endeavors.
I think it's a moment of immense pleasure that we are standing today in 2024 at Indiawood and crossing all benchmarks of the previous years. So we are today the largest ever since the inception of Indiawood.
Indiawood has been evolved into more than just an exhibition. It has become a symbol of excellence and more importantly as a global leadership in the industry.
Join us tomorrow as we continue to push the boundaries of innovation and craftsmanship.